Free Talk Business 1, Lesson 1, Review. Let's talk about English. Good morning, Aiko. Good morning, Mr. Johnson. I have a question. Do you think English is useful for doing business? Yes, I do. I think English is very useful, especially for global marketing. I agree. English proficiency is becoming more important every year. That's true. Many of our international partners speak English. Right. It's crucial for us to communicate clearly with them. And speaking English well can help us in corporate meetings and presentations. Yes, it can. Some of our executives are now using English every day. English is a big asset for the company, I think. Exactly. It also helps us find global talent and work with people from many countries. I want to keep improving my English. That's a great goal, Aiko. Keep it up.